I intended to do 15 days, but I stayed up much longer because I enjoy it. I have been in around now 25 places in China. I've been in Xi'an, Wuhan, in Wenzhou, in Hainan Island, and many other places. The things that fascinates me about China is your culture and your history and archaeology, and also the sense of security. You feel very safe in China.
I'm assuming because of this policy, a lot more shops opened, yeah, so that might explain why there's so many shops and so much of a consumer culture over here. Prices are okay and it's affordable for everybody, you know, so that's my favorite part so far about this whole place in China.
I feel like it's very convenient here because you can just go somewhere and you can scan a QR code to pay, and so I think consuming is very efficient here.
We basically established a visa-free kind of entry point for all the tourists from each other. So I think it has provided a very convenient channel for everyone to, you know, explore the countries and to see what each other has to offer. And to a traveler myself, as a tourist myself, when I come into China, I think the visa-free, or the policy itself has also encouraging a lot of people to come often and to find opportunity to explore more and to see more of the places